Welcome guys to another video, and for this video I will be showing off a tutorial about the chapter 1, explore the network, the tutorial about the activities given for chapter 1. So let's get started. Let's search for the activities, some of the activities. So we have here the activity network component presentation and functions. Given to us is the three choices. And we have the device category, the end devices, intermediary devices, and network media. And missing here is the function and representation. So later we will be moving on with the presentation. First, we will answer first the function needed, and let's get started for end devices. The end devices are the devices that we are using in our daily lives, and also it is the devices that we use for communicating, entertainment, and productivity. So for the end devices, we have here the phones, laptops, desktops, IP phone, oh, telepresent, and point or our television. Oh, we misses the tablets. Also here included is the tablet. And for the intermediate devices, we have these are the devices the that supports the end devices for, and it provides the connectivity that the end devices need. So for the intermediary devices, we have the router, wireless router, switch, multi-layer switch, and the fire firewall appliance. So for the network media, this is the media that we use as the main connectivity that the intermediate devices have to pass on through the end devices and create, and in order for us to use the services that we use in the communication. So examples in the network media is the wireless media, the LAN media, and the WAN media. And that's it for the introduction about these three device categories. So let's answer the question. Let's answer the activity. Drag the network component function to its device category. So let's read the first one. Provides a channel for messages to travel from source to destination. Provides a channel for message to travel from source to destination. So this for the intermediary device. And next one, provides an interface between the human and the network. We have the end devices because as we use the end devices, we have the user interface given. For the last one, of course, we have the network media provides connectivity and ensures data flows across the network. I think we just switched up. Provides connectivity and ensures data flows. I think we switched it. Let's check that. Okay, so it moved in the next slide. So in my previous videos, I have faced that one too, and if we got it right, then it just moves in the next page. So okay, that's it for the first one. This is the part two, the activity. So given the function that we have answered, so redirect as you can see, provides an interface for the end device, provides an activity, this is the intermediary, provides a channel, this is the network media. So next one is the representation. So we will be inserting the images or the representations from the choices to their corresponding boxes. And for the end device, of course, we will search for the end devices. So we have here the phone, we have the laptops, tablet. Okay, wait. Tablets, the desktop. Oh, we have the printer also, and the telepresence endpoint or the television. For the intermediary device, we have here the router, the wireless router, the switch, the multi-layer switch, and the firewall appliance. And here we have the wireless media, the LAN media, and the WAN media. So let's check if it's correct. Oh, and it moves to another page. And next, after answering the function and the representation, then we will then be labeling them, labeling each of the representation with these choices. So first let's start off with the end device. So this is the IP phone, and then we will just insert it there. And desktop computer we have here. That's just a basic task to do. So we have laptop, printer. What's here? Tablet, wireless tablet, and the telepresence endpoint. And next is the intermediary devices. So we have here first the router. The wireless router is the one with the antenna. Oh no, not the one media. Multi-layer switch is like the one with the sun. Firewall appliance is the one with the red brick. And LAN switch is for this one. For the tree we have, for the wireless media we have the electromagnetic waves. And for the one we have the red one. For the LAN we have that. Can't move it correctly. Oh my goodness. Let's check. And there we got it all correct. So on to the next one. And next for this activity, the network architecture requirements. We have here the for network architectures, the fault tolerance, scalability, quality of service, and security. So these are the network architectures to be followed in order to build a good architecture of the network that has been designed. And first let's answer this. The fault tolerance network should always be available. Say that priority queues are implemented when demand for networks bandwidth exceeds supplies. Priority queuing. I think it's quantum. Data must be protected. Networks can grow and expand the minimal impact on performance. Data travel to more than one route and deliver from a remote source. Just try to check that. Yay! Got correct. The next activity is the network security terminology. Again, given here is the some of the some threats and also the some preventions. And we have here 5 choices to be answered in the terminology. And first, let's read the first one: an attack which slows down crashes equipment and programs. That so it destroys the equipment or a program, then it is quality of service. Quality of service, denial of service, creates a secure connection for remote workers. We have the VPN, blocks unauthorized access to your network. Firewall, network attacks that occurs on the first day, your day, arbitrary code running. User device. That's the answer for that. And we're done with the chapter 1 tutorial, and I hope you learned from this tutorial, and stay tuned for my next videos, and thank you for watching and goodbye.